Hi, Corey's parents. It's Miss Jacobs. I have some information about our tickets for our Grand Theater performance on Saturday, and I wanted to just make this video because I thought that might be easier than trying to explain this in a message. So the director at the Grand Theater, Christy Montgomery, she has reserved everyone some seats, specific seats, based on, I gave her a name for the tickets and how many you needed, and she reserved everyone seats already that you can pick up when you get there Saturday night, or give them your name when you get there Saturday night and they'll take you to your seats. But when she did this, she put your seats in a part of the theater where there is an empty seat on one side or the other, so that if you need to purchase additional tickets, you can purchase that seat from the website and know that you'll be seated with the rest of your party. Because they do sell their tickets by seat number. So in order to buy additional tickets, you're going to want to go to this website right here, the Grand Theater, note the RE there, and theater.org, or you can search for Grand Theater Cartersville and it will come up. Okay, then you want to scroll here to purchase tickets, and it should be the first event that pops up. Yep, that's us all together now. It's Saturday. So excited. Click on the date, and then you're going to click select seats from map. Now all of our seats appear to be down in the lower section of the theater, which are the $30 seats. Of course, they were free, which is wonderful, but if you're purchasing a ticket and you want to be down there with you, it would be a $30 ticket. So this is their seating chart, and the seats that are gray are the ones that are already used. Most of these reserved for us, for our kids and our families. So if you are, I will use, let's see, Macon Allen's the first one on here. So Macon, we're going to use you as an example. Macon seats are in row A, number 6 and 7. So you go over here to the interactive chart, and it says, sorry, it's so small. See if I can make it a little bigger. This is double A. This is D. So I'm assuming this is C, B, A. So this is row A. And it won't let me select that seat because it's already chosen. But I bet this seat right here, if I click on it, this is row 8. So that means that Macon's family is sitting in this seat and this seat. And if they needed to purchase an additional ticket, they'd want to select this one, add to cart, and then, check out, and you would be seated all together. If Macon's family needed more than just one seat, we've got the one over here too, or across the aisle right here are 2 more that would also be in row A and just across the aisle from the rest of the party. So I'm hoping that will help you guys to be able, I know some of you needed to purchase extra seats, to be able to find a seat that works best for you. She's got us all spread out down there in that section there in the theater. So I'll send this out, and I hope that you guys are able to get what you need, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon.